So, hello guys, and welcome back. Happy New Year in arrears. I hope you had a restful time. So, today I'm going to show you two Canva apps that can take your designs to a whole new level. So, the first one is an app that can add perspective to your images. And you know how perspective can transform any design, making it to look more professional. Then the second one is an app that can clear the background of your photographs or images free in Canva. So if you're interested, keep watching. So in case you have never used these apps before, they will not appear on your menu tab at the bottom. You have to find them from your home page. So you click on the three line, the top left, you'll be taken to this page where you see apps. You click apps, and then on design essentials, when you select design essentials, then you go ahead and select or scroll down to select the app that you want. So here's a list of apps. So we're looking for clear background app and also the transform image app. So we're just going to scroll down until we find the apps that we need. So once we have located our apps, we'll go ahead and select a canvas. So we select a canvas, then we'll go to the bottom of our menu bar and click on the apps that we just touched in the apps section of Canva. Because we touched them, they will be at the bottom of your menu bar. So if you click on it, because we are starting with the transform image app, so it will prompt you to select an image from your gallery. You can see it says choose file. So when I click on choose file, it will take me to my gallery where I'll go ahead and select the image that I want to use. So I'll just scroll down and select the particular image. So once the image is selected, it will be automatically added to my canvas, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and begin to add perspective. You can see when you hold down and move your fingers, you can see how it is transforming the image, giving it a 3D perspective. It's no longer flat and 2D. You can see it. So this is how to do it. So you also have the option to zoom in the image however you want. You can see when you increase the zoom amount, it becomes bigger. So when you are satisfied with your design, you scroll down and click on add to design. Then it will be added to your design or whatever you're designing on the canvas. So for the second app, which is clearing background, so on your menu bar, which is at the bottom, so I'm just going to scroll and find it. You can see it right there. So I'll select it. So when you select it, it will prompt you to choose a file, that is upload an image from your gallery. Click on choose file to take you to your gallery. Then you select the image that you want the background to be cleared. So I'll just go ahead and select an image. So once your image is selected, you click on clear background. Then it will begin to clear. You can see the prompt when once it's full, then the background is cleared. So it is still removing the background, but once your background is cleared, it will automatically appear on your canvas. Then you see it there, and then you begin to customize it whichever way you want. Yes, it takes quite a bit of time, like 30 seconds, to remove the background. As I said earlier, it will appear on your canvas once it is ready. And there you have it. You can see Canva is telling you that it has successfully removed the background. You can see it is on your canvas, so you can use it to do whatever design you want.